In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion charts to visualize your databases. Notion charts let you turn the data you already have in your Notion databases into clear, visual insights. Think of them as a new view for your database, just like table or board, but designed to help you track progress, monitor OKRs, or visualize a product roadmap at a glance. We'll start by choosing a data source. Charts are always built from a Notion database, so you can link to an existing one or create a new one right on the page. If you're starting fresh, add the properties you want to visualize, such as numbers, dates, or categories. The chart will reflect whatever lives in those properties, so the cleaner your data, the better your results. Next, pick a chart type. You can choose vertical or horizontal bar charts to compare categories, line charts to show change over time, or donut charts for part-to-whole breakdowns. If you're tracking weekly progress, a line chart works beautifully. If you're comparing teams or project types, try a bar chart. For proportions, go with a donut. Now customize the chart so it tells the story you need. Select what appears on the x-axis and y-axis, and make sure the properties you choose match the kind of chart you're building. Rename labels to be crystal clear, adjust styling for readability, and switch chart types if you need a different perspective. These adjustments don't change your database, they simply change how the data is presented. Notion charts are interactive, which means you can click any data point to open the underlying pages in the database. It's a fast way to move from a high-level view into the specific tasks or records that make up that result. Because charts are a database view, you can toggle them on or off just like tables and boards. This makes dashboards easy. Place multiple chart views on a single page, arrange them to highlight key metrics, and pair them with text or other blocks to add context. You can even place chart blocks in different sections of a page to create a clean, scannable layout. Sharing is simple. Charts follow the same sharing rules as the pages and databases they come from, so your teammates will see what you see. And if you need to include a chart in a presentation or report outside Notion, you can export it as an image file. That's it. With a solid data source, the right chart type, a bit of customization, and interactivity, Notion charts turn raw information into insight you can act on.